I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to change coolant in your Honda Fit. Before starting, ensure your engine is completely cool to avoid serious burns. Safety is paramount, so always wear protective eyewear and gloves. Have your drain pan, funnel, and new Honda-approved coolant ready. This process is straightforward, but proper preparation makes all the difference for a smooth and safe experience. Now let's drain the old coolant. First, locate the radiator drain plug, usually found at the bottom of the radiator on the driver's side. Position a large drain pan directly underneath to catch all the fluid. Open both the drain plug and the radiator cap to allow air in, which helps the coolant flow out completely. Let it drain thoroughly until no more fluid comes out. For optimal results, consider flushing your system. After closing the drain plug, fill the radiator with distilled water. Replace the radiator cap and run your engine for about 10 minutes with the heater set to its highest setting. This circulates the water, helping to dislodge any remaining old coolant or debris. Once done, let the engine cool, then drain the distilled water completely. Finally, let's refill and bleed the system. Ensure the drain plug is tight, then slowly pour in the new Honda-approved coolant until it reaches the fill line. Start the engine with the heater on high. As the engine warms, gently squeeze the upper and lower radiator hoses to help release any trapped air bubbles. Continue to top off the coolant as the level drops, and always check for any leaks.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.